Hey guys, so today I wanted to give you guys an announcement that I have been approved for merch by Amazon. I applied probably at least 6 months ago, up to a year ago, I don't remember exactly, but I've been trying to get on merch by Amazon for a while and I just got approved today. So you can see merch by Amazon, that's when you upload your own photos or artwork to Amazon and they will put it, you set your own price, then they will print what you sell. So basically they'll print your whatever you make onto a t-shirt and then they ship it fast with Amazon Prime and then you get a royalty from whatever t-shirts of yours sell or designs that go onto the t-shirts. So basically, kind of like I said, you upload the artwork and then you choose the product type. You can make both men's, women, and youth shirts. And they've just expanded into sweatshirts, but that's only after you reach rank 100. So right now, obviously, I'm just starting out. I just got approved this morning, so I just put up one design today, and then you're only actually allowed to put one design per day when you're just starting out. But I think as you grow your merch by Amazon business, then you can post more and more. So then you can see you set your own royalty. So if you set it out at $14.99, I think it comes to around $3 that you get per shirt, but you have no inventory risk, and it gives you Prime shipping. So that's an awesome perk because, as we know, Prime gets you a lot more sales. And then what else do they have to say about it? You can reach new customers, track your success, and yeah. So I'm really excited about this and just wanted to let you guys know, if you didn't know about merch by Amazon, that you can request an invitation. So it's by invitation only, and then your invitation has to be basically accepted, and that's what happened with me today. But yeah, so if you haven't started this yet, then you should definitely request the invitation because it does take quite a while. Like I said, between 6 months and a year for me, and they're probably backed up even more now that more people know about it. But yeah, so we can see under my account here. So I currently have one product live and have reached the submission limit for the day. I'll be able to sell up to 10 products at any one time. And then, like I said, as you grow your merch by Amazon business, then you will continue to be able to post more and more designs that will go on t-shirts and then eventually sweatshirts. So yeah, it's great to get into. I'm really excited that I got onto this because once your designs are all up, then it's completely passive income. You don't have to do anything else. So this is the kind of income that I like, and adding another revenue stream is always what I'm looking for, and especially if it's passive, then you can't go wrong. So if you guys haven't signed up yet, I would definitely recommend requesting the invitation. And then if you have signed up and you've already requested your invitation, just know that I did get approved today, so they should be approving more and more people. And yeah, and then if you already are on merch by Amazon, leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you think of it, how it's been going for you so far. I'm gonna continue to document this merch by Amazon journey because, like I said, I'm just starting out today, so it's gonna only get bigger and better. So I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys later.